Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. Today we are going to discuss Fantom and its token FTM. We will be conducting accumulation related analysis, regression analysis and machine learning based price forecast. So if you like the content, please subscribe to the channel and give the video a like. So let's get started. The chart that you're seeing on the screen is the price of Fantom color coded based on the risk level between 0 and 1, based on the proportional difference between Fantom price and 20-week simple moving average. The key idea over here is during the overheated phases, when you can see that the color code is orange and red, that's when DCing out of the market makes more sense, and during the undervalued stage phases, DCing in the market makes more sense. And these undervaluation and overvaluation phases and again the analysis is not financial advice, but just a reflection of how what happens when the price is too far gone from the simple moving average, 20-week simple moving average. It usually typically signifies a peak, and again when the price is too far gone, back to the levels between 0 and 1 from the moving average to the downside, that's when mean reversion is likely, and accumulation in that phase makes more sense. So right now if you see, the price is at around 39 cents over here. Fantom's price at around 39 cents. Again, the tokenomics people are well aware of that, at around 3 billion tokens in total supply, out of which about 95% are in circulation. And this particular crypto, again like a smart contract, does not have a max supply, but again, and also there is a token migration going to happen from Fantom to Sonic, which with a ticker S. So again, those are some of the updates related to Fantom, but nonetheless, right now, assuming that the Fantom's market cap growth stays the same regardless of its tokenomics, what we can do is conduct a basic analysis of how much risk is involved and what are the potential rewards with Fantom. So if you compare this move that Fantom has made starting July of 2024 till about August of 2024 with moves that Fantom made in June 2021 till about July 2021, you can see a pretty similar market structure in both these cases. And what followed after this phase is as and when the market got too heated from this 20 cents level, price rose to about $3 level. Right now it's about 10 cents higher, to about between 29 cents and 39 cents. So again, if there is a peak in the crypto markets happening in 2025, or the late Q4 of 2024, this is something to watch for. Again, this is one of the topping and bottoming signal for Fantom. In terms of accumulating Fantom over a longer time period, the dollar cost average model says that right now the risk associated with accumulating Fantom is between 0 and 0.1 over here, you can see, and this is calculated based on the proportional difference between the price and the fair value of Fantom. Per this model, right now that in August the fair value of Fantom is at around $1.12. That means it's undervalued by about 75% at this point in time per this analysis, and the peak regression valuation at this point in time is at around $4. So as you know that during October 2021 till about January 2022, the price of Fantom went beyond the peak regression, and exceeded this valuation. Again, as the asset matures, the likelihood of exceeding the peak regression band becomes lower and lower, that because more capital is required to grow the price. So with and also with the non-linear effect of price and the time and price, that relationship captures that at this point in time the peak regression valuation is at around $4, and the current risk level is at 0.03. So this is one way to understand if Fantom is a good buy right now, or a good sell right now. And in terms of longer term time weighted average price based accumulation analysis, you can see over here the time weighted average price, which is the line in blue. That price of, sorry, this is not Fantom, this is for apologies, this is the time weighted analysis for Fantom's price. The line in blue at this point in time pointing to about fair value of Fantom based on time weighted average price at around 40 cents. That means the current risk levels are the price is lower than the time weighted average price. That means the risk levels are zero essentially, because we are considering a longer term view with this analysis. So whenever the price falls below the time weighted average price, historically speaking, you can see that's a great buying opportunity. Again, this is not financial advice, and you can also make use of this analysis to identify peaks. And this is also that which is calculated by the proportional difference between the time weighted average price and the actual price at any point in time. And whenever the market gets too heated, that's when the color codes shift from this purple, which is the lowest risk, to this red where the risks are between. If you toggle to this risk metric, they exceed at that point in time, exceed below above 0.9 to about 1 risk. So that we are essentially from that level, the highest Fantom's risk went in March of 2024 was at around 0.67. Major peaks occur when the risks are above a certain threshold, that is at around between 0.9 and 0 and 1. That risk level we haven't visited in quite a while. The last time we visited this risk level was at around January 2022. So with this, I would like to shift the attention now to the AI based forecast for Fantom, which is our in-house trained machine learning model. This is not some prompt engineering. This is advanced machine learning techniques such as LSTM and XGBoost and ARIMA statistical models. Considers price action at a weekly level of Fantom starting its launch, and this analysis provides three scenarios for Fantom. The base case with a price action between 38 cents and 47 cents. The one standard deviation bull case between 45 cents and $1.49. That's the forecast in a bull, that is the bull case forecast for Fantom between now and end of year 2024, and the bear case between 14 cents and 32 cents. So these are the three possibilities. Depending on the market structure and the overall macro environment, these scenarios help paint what could be theoretical support or theoretical resistance at certain phases of the market. So what tends to happen when the market turns to mania phase, these one standard deviation bull cases do not provide sufficient resistance during the mania phase. That's when the two standard deviation becomes more and more closer to the reality, and that two standard deviation case for Fantom is between 53 cents to about $4, and that you can see the confluence between the regression analysis as well as the machine learning based forecast. And if you are interested in tabular value for week by week forecasts for Fantom, they are also available on this chart. The link to the chart and the website is on the bottom of your screen, cryptoweeklies.com, and we have data for almost all of the top 100 cryptos by market cap, and their regression analysis, machine learning based forecast and accumulation strategies. Again, the column of most interest is the base case over here. To its left is the 68% bear case, to its right is 68% bull case. To the right of 68% bull case is the 95% bull case, and to its right is 99.7% bull case. So those are the valuations that I wanted to discuss today with Fantom. And last but not the least, I would leave you with the polynomial regression function, and its help you understand where the price of Fantom is right now per the regression analysis. The polynomial regression analysis establishes a non-linear regression with price and time. At that time, at this time, per the analysis, the fair value of Fantom is at around $1. Quite similar to the DCA model, which said the fair value at around $1.12, and the current price action is below the one standard deviation floor. You can see the one standard deviation floor at this point in time coming in at around price between 40 and 45 cents, whereas the price is close to the 40-cent level. That means relatively speaking, if there is a mean reversion rally for Fantom, the valuations to watch is the 45 cents first, and then the $1.07. And if a Fantom gets overheated anytime soon, the 1 standard deviation ceiling for those rallies is at around $2.54. And if you can see that the last time Fantom tried to rally beyond the 1 standard deviation ceiling, it had some hard time during March of 2024. Back then the 1 standard deviation ceiling was at around 86 cents. Price went at around till around $1.07, and then cratered back to its mean reversion fair value at that point at around 60 cents, and then back to 1 standard deviation floor. So if you observe keenly, you can see throughout the course of the bear market, that is in 2022, the 1 standard deviation floor, which is the line below the fair value, which is in pink, you can see that whenever the price is closer or just below the 1 standard deviation floor, those were historically speaking good time to buy Fantom and its token FTM. Right now we are in a similar environment where the price is below the 1 standard deviation floor. So again, this is one way to look at the market. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and also give this video a like, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day.